But she was yelling at us.
Asshole.
Bitch.
Fuck.
Cunt.
Whore bag. Piece of shit.
Penis.
Asshole.
It says this one swears.
She was yelling at you.
She was yelling.
So that's not a very nice word to try to teach whatever they are.
Hello? Hooray!
Come on, please just...
Nice.
Hello.
Hooray!
Hooray!
This one doesn't know tricks, it just swears. Fuck, slut.
Bugger.
Ooh, that would have been fun. Yeah, fanny pack.
Bloody.
Fanny pack.
Bloody tourists.
Fuck, bloody tourists.
I just keep saying